Swazi professional boxer Thabiso Dlamini says the Swazi nation should rally and believe in the 5 boxers who will represent the Kingdom of Swaziland in the Region 5 boxing championships to be held in Angola this coming December. We have a report.
With only 30 days left before 5 boxers under the age of 21 fly to Angola to represent the Kingdom of Swaziland in the Angola Youth Games, professional Swazi boxer Thabiso Dlamini says the nation should put their confidence in the boys to return home with medals. Dlamini says there is always an objective to go with when attending for the first time.
Now we have such games. Good respect for other boxers. Look, funeka ukuthi ubade ukuthi laba best namhla, it's because nabo basusela abanye laba best labe badiyo, of which now ungatakela ligama lakho, who would have known ukuthi Thabiso Dlamini wayithola igold nga-2010 bese ngacabanga sonke lokho, but ngayithola igolide, which means nabo labafana it's possible, and I believe in them. After those games bangitshengisile nami ukuthi they are ready for the tournament.
The Vice President of the Swaziland Boxing Association, Webster Lukele, says they have staged an event this weekend in conjunction with Matsapa boxing team in order to polish the preparations of the boys.
The tournament on Saturday, it's a final preparation, not really a final as such, because there will be some other tournaments coming before they go. Saturday, Matsapa is hosting. All boxers are going to be there. Mostly, especially, we are concentrating on those boxers going to Angola by December. So we urge the nation to come by to see their team going to Angola, since they won't be able to go to Angola. So they must just come and see what's going to be happening in Angola. The boys are ready.
It is understood that senior boxers like Thabiso Dlamini and Swazi Dlamini, who are originally from Matsapa, are the ones to have joined hands with the Swaziland Boxing Association to organize the event staged on Saturday, the 5th of November at Spain Lodge. For Swazi TV Sports, Thabiso Dlamini, Swesene Mabuza, Mbabane.